How to enter referral code on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can enter a referral code on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enter a referral code on Temu app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Temu application. Once you launch the Temu app, you want to just make sure that you're signed into the account, and after you're signed in, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to basically tap this little U icon that you see from the very bottom of the screen. So just tap on it. When you go to the U section, you're going to land on this page, and here you'll find a section where it says coupons and offers, and you just want to make sure to tap on it. And then here you'll be able to see different type of codes that you can use. So you can use a coupon code, an offer code, a promo code, and also a referral code. If it's unused, you can hit that apply button. You'll be able to see your used codes as well as the expired codes over here. So to give you a basic idea, this is how you can use Temu referral code or coupon code on your Temu app. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.